How to use Spocket for dropshipping for beginners. Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how you can use Spocket for dropshipping for beginners. Now as you can see here, we are at Spocket.com where we can see information about Spocket over here. Now we can see the different features of Spocket over here. Under Spocket, you can sell with ease, you can have up-to-date inventory, you can have the best quality products, great profile margin, and super fast delivery. You can also see that Spocket is featured on BetaKit, Shopify, 4Bs, Techstars, GreekWire, Top 20 Recipient, and the Globe and Mail. We could find winning dropshipping products in Spocket. We could also try products for ourselves. We can connect our online store with ease, such as Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, and WooCommerce. We could discover different suppliers for dropshipping. There's also no upfront cost. There is branded invoicing. It is mainly on US and EU original suppliers. And we have best deals on products. You can also see the different available integration for Spocket, like BigCommerce, Shopify, Felix, Wix, Equid, Squarespace, WooCommerce, Square, Alibaba, AliExpress, and eBay. Now, before we start, we're going to talk about what is Spocket in the first place. Spocket is an online platform that connects entrepreneurs and retailers with suppliers and wholesalers from around the world. It allows users to search for products and suppliers and import those products to their own online store or marketplace with just a few clicks. Spocket specializes in dropshipping and retail fulfillment method where the seller doesn't keep any inventory, but instead the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This way, entrepreneurs can start an online store without worrying about holding inventory, shipping products, or managing returns and refunds. Spocket offers a wide range of products in various categories including fashion, beauty, electronics, home and garden, and more. Users can also accept features such as customized branding, automatic orders, and live inventory updates. Overall, Spocket aims to simplify the process of sourcing and selling products online for entrepreneurs and retailers and help them build successful and sustainable business. Now to begin, we're simply going to enter our email address over here and then we're going to click on Get Started. Now after doing that, Spocket will automatically sign you up and then send you to this page over here where this is our home screen for Spocket. This is where we will find most of the products that is available on Spocket. And we could add filters to the products that we want to see, such as where we want it to be shipped from and where we want it to be shipped to. You could also see the shipping time, the different item cost, shipping cost, supplier, the top supplier, premium products, and the best seller. Now to search for different products, you can simply enter keywords into this search bar over here and then click on search, and then Spocket will display all the items related to your topic search. We could also see here that we have the different categories such as women's clothing, jewelry and watches, tech accessories, kids and babies, toys, footwear, bath and beauties, pets, home and garden accessories, and when you click this, we can see more categories such as men's clothing, sports and outdoor, gifts, automotive, bags and wallets, seasons, and festival and parties. Now, we could also click over here, where this is a more simplified version of the filter, where we can simply click this and then choose where we want the product to be shipped from. We could click on premium, which will show only premium products. You could also click on fast USA shipping, USA shipping under $5. We could also click on inventory, like show all, more than 10, more than 25, more than 50, and more than 100. Could also sort by relevance, price from low to highest, price from highest to lowest, newest, and the shipping time. Now as we can see here on the left side, we can see that we have the find products, then we can see the US and EU products. We could also click on AliExpress, where we can download Ali Scraper for free, and then we can connect our Spocket with AliExpress. Could also click on the winning products over here, but we would need to upgrade our plan to view this area, so we're going to skip for now. You could also see on the private label over here, where we can connect Jubilee into our Spocket also, where they have their own beauty empire, they have their own private label packaging, they have no minimum order quality, they have fast US shipping, and then there's also instructions over here. You could also search products by image by simply uploading your image over here, and then it will show you similar products in Spocket if there is any. Now there's also options such as import list, products, orders, notification, and messages. We're going to click on the import list. Now over here in the import list, this is where the product that we chose to import will show up. For example, we're going to click on search product, and then we're going to look for a product that we want, and then we're going to hover our mouse over the specific product, and then we can see that there's this add to import list. There's also products over here. Clicking this, we can add a product to sell into our Spocket shop. There's also orders over here where we can track the different orders that we are receiving. There's also notifications and messages. This is where you will be able to communicate with your different suppliers. Now, the next thing we're going to explore is the settings. By clicking on the settings, we would be able to see the different plans for Spocket, such as the starter plan, which is $29, the Pro plan, which is $50, the Empire plan, which is $100, and the Unicorn plan for $300. Now you can get any of these plans for free for 14 days, but after 14 days, you would need to pay for this amount. You can also choose if you want to pay for it monthly or if you want to pay for it yearly, which has the different options over here. There's also less payment for the yearly option. Now we're also going to click on the account over here, where we can see our account information, our different payment methods such as order billing. You can also see the membership billing over here. Now when you click on membership, this is where we will be able to track our plan. Right now we have the basic plan. You can also click on store. This is where we will be able to see our store name and then our store URL. We'll also click on global pricing, just like here. We can set pricing rules for our different products. You can also click on apps, where we can add the different apps into our Spocket, such as Ali Scraper, Alibaba, and AliExpress. Now to be able to do this task that I'm going to do, which is to add import list, you're going to have to select a pricing plan for your Spocket before you can actually do that. But after adding an import list over here, and then checking your import list here, you would be able to connect your imported list into your e-commerce shop, and then you would be able to sell the products that you are selecting over here into wherever e-commerce shop that you are using. For example, Shopify. Any product that you import over here will then appear in your product list in Shopify. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use Spocket for dropshipping for beginners. Thanks for watching.